Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can clean your Sony a6400 camera if it is dirty or if the lens is dirty. So the process will be same for any camera. Anyways, let's begin the video. In order to clean your camera, you're going to need some things. First of all, an air blower that is going to blow off any excess dust on your camera, a brush that is going to remove dust as well, a lens cleaning fluid that is going to clean your lens. So these are specially made to clean your lens camera and they do not damage the lens protective covering or coating, microfiber cloth, some lens cleaning tissues, and a cotton bud to clean the viewfinder of your camera. So you can buy these things individually, but what I did is that I bought the Canon 7-in-1 lens cleaning kit, which is quite cheap if you buy it at one time, because if you have any expensive camera then you should have this cleaning kit in your camera bag as well, because you don't know when your lens is going to get dirty if you are in a windy and sandy situation. So I have already made a video of these things. If you're interested, a box will appear right here. So I'm going to show you how you can clean your camera using these things. The first thing in order to clean your camera is that make sure that you're in a place where there is no wind, because if wind is going to blow then there is a chance that some dust is going to fall into the sensor of your camera. So for the first thing you're going to do is that my camera is already pretty much clean, but you're going to take your air blower and you're going to start blowing air so that any excess dust is removed. For now I have made the lens hood closed because we're going to clean the lens after we clean the whole body of the camera. And if you have any ports you can clean that as well, because these might have dust in them. And since this is the a6400 camera, you can actually open the screen as well, and most probably you're going to have dust here as well. Once the major dust is removed, you're going to take your brush and start brushing and removing dust where the air blower can reach, like these areas which are hard for the air blower to reach. And if you have a lens that can zoom out, then use the brush to clean the zoom ring as well, because sometimes dust is in here as well. So zoom it out and just start using the brush, and after that I'm just going to give it a final blow. Now you can see that the camera is looking pretty much clean from the outside. Now we can move towards cleaning the lens and the inner sensor, which is the main and important thing. For the lens, I'm going to open the hood and you can see that there are some fingerprints on it, but the first thing that I'm going to do is blow some air. So you're not going to blow air right this way, you're going to move it downward so that any excess dust is removed downward and not into the lens again. Once you have blowed some air, you're going to get the lens cleaning fluid. Make sure that you get any brand lens cleaning fluid, because this is going to protect the lens. Clean it and make sure that the protective covering is not damaged. So before I apply it, I'm going to take some one of the lens cleaning tissues that is included with the kit, and I'm going to first spray some here, and after that I'm simply going to use the tissue to clean. So this will remove any oil or any fingerprints and dust etc from the lens. And now you can see that the lens is completely clean. So before I place the hood back in, you're going to take the hood somewhere else and clean off any dust as well from the inside of the lens hood. And now I'm going to close it. Now we're going to clean the inside of the lens as well as the sensor. So we're just going to press on the lock button on the a6400 camera, rotate it anti-clockwise, and it's going to come out easily. Here we have the sensor and the lens. So first of all I'm going to clean the lens. So I'm just going to place the camera in this way so that dust doesn't fall off inside the sensor, because that is very sensitive. For the back of the lens, again you're going to put in this place, blow some air, and it should clean it. After that I'm going to place it again in this way, and now we have the camera sensor as well. Again, do not touch this sensor, because if you do it then it's, I would say, waste of the camera. So if you have any dust particle in it, just put it in this angle and in the downward angle and just start blowing air inside it. For the camera sensor, do not use this lens cleaning fluid, because this is made to clean lens and not camera sensors. So if you're going to use it, then it's going to ruin your camera sensor. so do not use the lens cleaning fluid on your sensor. If you have any dust, you can just simply remove it using the air blower like this, and in my case it is pretty much clear. Mostly you're going to know that dust is in your sensor if you're going to see some black dots on your footage. Anyways, once everything is cleaned, the lens from the inside and this, you're going to have a little dot on the top and here on the A6400's body as well. All you need to do is to align the white dot something like this, and you're going to rotate it clockwise. It's going to take a little bit force, and then you're going to hear this click sound, which means that the lens is now secure. In order to clean the viewfinder, we can use this cotton bud and just simply start cleaning it, and this should clean your viewfinder in most of the cases. Once the viewfinder has been cleaned, the last thing is to clean your LCD screen. So for that, you're going to have any microfiber cloth and just start cleaning it. And you can see it's going to clean your LCD, as you can see right here, crystal clean. And in this way you can clean your Sony a6400 camera or any camera, both from externally and internally. And here you're going to have your little compartment as well, where you have your batteries and your SD card. So if you want to be, clean it completely, you can eject both the battery and the SD card, get the air blower, and just simply clean off any dust here as well if you think there is any. And for the last thing, all you're going to do is you're going to turn on your Sony camera. You're going to press on the menu button. Here you're going to go to the settings menu right here, and here in the settings menu you're going to go down and you're going to open the third page. Here you can see it says cleaning mode. Just select the cleaning mode, perform auto image sensor cleaning, press on enter. Auto cleaning is finished, turn the power off. You can also clean the image sensor manually if necessary. So we're going to turn off our camera, and now you can let me remove the lens cover, and now you can see that your camera has been cleaned successfully. So yeah guys, in this way you can clean your Sony a6400 camera or any other Sony camera. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.